Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a thrift haul. I went on Thredup and put together my own goodie box. I do prefer to shop on POSHMARK, but recently I found myself drifting over to the Thredup website. I think I'm really starting to get more of an interest in Thredup. I feel like I'm starting to understand how to look for things on there. I have done another goodie box through Thredup in the past, and it's one where I had this stylist put together some looks for me. This one, I chose everything. I really love very feminine, ruffly tops right now and dresses and skirts, so probably going to be seeing lots of that today. You can put together, I think I got 10 items in this box, but they only let you put items in your box that are at $100 and under, so I made sure that it was within that price point. With the goodie boxes, you have to put down a $10 deposit. That $10 does also go towards something that you keep in the box. But if any of you have any tips or suggestions on how to search and find products on Thredup, I would really appreciate it, because I feel like I'm definitely still learning the layout of the Thredup website, and I found some really good things finally. I really like shopping the Thredup and Rent the Runway. I think it's called the Revive collection. But other than that, like I really have to search specific brands. I prefer to search like ruffled tops and ruffled dresses and florals, feminine styles and stuff, but they don't really work that way on Thredup. So I've also been trying out the Real Real, which that one can be tricky because they do have like the designer sizes. So I've had a couple hits and misses with the Real Real, but they do have some really good things on there. I am gonna go ahead and share with you what I put in my goodie box for this thrift haul from Thredup. And before I get into this unboxing, if this is your very first time here to my channel, I do have a new video up for you every Monday and Friday. So if you enjoy try-on hauls, what else do I do? Shopper closet. If you enjoy that type of content, everything is about romantic fashion, feminine style. So don't forget to subscribe and then click that little notification bell. That'll just remind you what time my videos come up on Monday and Friday. This past upload, I had such an ordeal. It didn't get up till like 9 o'clock at night, but I still got it up. The shipping is free. Oh, I shouldn't hold it like that. Thredup also does referral links, so I'm going to leave mine down below if you are interested in saving some money along with secondhand shopping. Total savings off retail, $2,326. That is a very smart marketing trick. Well, not trick, but I mean, it does make you feel good. But anyway, I've got all my pricing information here. I'm very interested to see what the wear is going to be like on these. They also give you the return shipping label, I believe. This first piece is a maxi dress, and I loved this for all the different colors on it. Bright and cheerful color. This is such a summer dress for me. I love it. It has pink on the top, and then it's kind of like a ruffled maxi dress style. The size 10, that would have been probably the best fit for me, didn't fit under that $100 category, so I couldn't try it on. So the size 12 did, though. I decided to see if this size would be a good fit for me, because I mean, designer sizes sometimes run small as it is. The women's Olivia Rubin cocktail dress, established retail is $685, and the Thredup price is $68.99. That for this, I mean, it doesn't look like it has any damage on it. Even at the bottom of the dress, it doesn't look like there's any like scuff marks or anything like that. This one is in great condition. So if this one doesn't end up fitting, I might switch it out for a size 10. But I am going to go ahead and try these styles on as I go, and then I will let you know at the end of the video which pieces I'm going to end up keeping. I just like to keep things moving along. So I'm going to go show you what this looks like and then continue moving on. Okay, so this next piece just reminded me of a LoveShackFancy dress. I actually have one very similar to this. I just wanted to try this one on to see if I would be interested in seeing more from this brand, but looking at this right now, this is absolutely beautiful. It's got all this eyelet style, very detailed. It's from a brand called Calypso, and this one is in a size medium. It looks like it's gonna fit. It is the kind of dress that I feel like I'm gonna have to wear like a slip dress underneath it or something, because you do have that eyelet style throughout it and there's no layer that comes underneath it, so I'll probably have to figure that out. So you do have a little bit of that elastic around the neckline, so I think it's gonna be one of those off the shoulder styles. This is the St. Barth casual dress. This is originally $286 and the Thredup price is $51.99. This one does look like it's been worn, but not to the point that it just looks like it's been loved, but in a good way. Oh, I got another top from Calypso. I didn't even realize that. Apparently I need to be looking up this brand now, which I will be doing as soon as I finish making this video. This is a silk top. Established retail for this is $428. The Thredup price is $73.99. I mean, it does feel really nice. Now this one doesn't look like it's been as worn. It looks like it's in great condition. I love this color too. It's definitely more of a neutral top and it's very loose. I feel like it'll be very easy to pair with a lot of like my high-waisted shorts and stuff just to kind of dress it up. Thank goodness I haven't been getting any weird smells or anything, because I know that's happened to some people, but I mean, I haven't been noticing anything from this box. Oh, it looks like there is a little scratch mark on the neckline, but it's very subtle and it's a very lightweight top. So I'm gonna go ahead and see what this looks like on. These are pants. I don't know, for some reason these just looks like a lot of fun. They're from a brand called Stuart. They are a size 12. I mean, they look like they'll be a perfect fit. I do like that wide leg style. The material is amazing. These are the Stuart casual pants. Established retail for these is $210. The Thredup price is $72.99. The only thing with these pants is that I'm not sure how many outfits I would get out of these. Obviously it's going to come down to how these fit, but outfits is definitely going to be an issue with this one because I do like to get a lot of wear out of these if I want to keep them. I love the material of these though, they're so light. Okay, so I saw this Lauren Conrad cardigan. Lauren Conrad pieces aren't like the best quality, but this one feels really nice. I mean, it's definitely going to stretch out and kind of pill over time, but it has little bow sequins on it. It is just such a cute piece. The established retail for this is $74. The Thredup price is $18.99. There's definitely a couple sequins missing and I might have to trim up some threading, but I mean, other than that, this one looks like it's in pretty good condition too. let's do this one because this sweater reminded me of a LoveShackFancy sweater, the new Warwick cardigan. I'll show you a picture here. This one just reminded me of it. I'm not going to try and say this brand because I'm going to say it very much incorrectly. Established retail for this was $395. Definitely a LoveShackFancy type of brand. But the Thredup price for this is $98. So that one is still a little bit more expensive than I was thinking. Wow, for a size medium, this is definitely very oversized. When I can find things that give me that feel, like that romantic, feminine style, I really enjoy investing in it when I can, especially secondhand. The material feels really nice. I can tell like it's definitely been worn, but it's in great condition. But I'm gonna go see what this one looks like on. So this next piece looks like it is a cardigan, and this one just stood out to me. I just thought it was so quirky and fun, but it has this button-up style. I don't know, I just thought that was so cute. I love the material of this. It is almost kind of like stiff but soft. This is the Simon Miller pullover sweater in size large. Established retail for this is $290, and the Thredup price is $86.99. So this one is definitely a little bit more expensive. So this cardigan looks like it runs really small, but it actually has a lot of stretch to it. It's going to be kind of like that ribbed fitted sweater look, which I love. But yeah, I'm going to go try this on. So excited about this one, but I'm not sure if it's gonna fit because I got it in a size medium. Oh, but it does have elastic. Oh, I'm so excited about this one because I have not been able to find a high-low skirt that is similar to a LoveShackFancy style that I like. And I saw this one on Thredup and I absolutely loved the look of it, and it just had that ruffled romantic look that I was trying to find. I think this is gonna be a perfect fit. The On the Road casual skirt size medium, established retail is $107. The Thredup price is $55.99. And I mean, this one doesn't look like it's been worn all that much. I mean, it is a little bit wrinkly, but I love this pattern. Oh my goodness, I have a feeling I'm going to love this skirt. This is another skirt because I was really looking for that high-low style, and this is another one. I just wanted to have a couple different styles to try on. It's in a polka dot style. This is from a brand called Still Water. Got it in a size large, and this one doesn't have any elastic in it, but it's in that same ruffled high-low style that I have been looking for. I mean, the other skirt had the smock material, so I had like elastic to work with. This one I don't, so I'm glad that I was able to get my hands on a size large. Established retail is $145. The Thredup price is $44.99. I mean, it feels like really good quality too, and it's definitely in a very similar style to what I am looking for. Last piece in my Thredup goodie box try on is this very fancy blouse. This just really stood out to me with the ruffled collar. The opening ceremony blouse, established retail is $350. Thredup price is $69.99, and I think $70 for this top is definitely worth it. Okay, the sleeves on this, I have to like back up because the sleeves are so ginormous. I love it. So much material, you don't even know what to do with it. And I got this in a size 10, and I mean, I definitely have lots of room to work with. I'm so excited to like put an outfit together for this because it's just such a unique piece and it just looks expensive. That is everything from my Threaded box, and I'm probably going to need to take a day or two to think everything through because I ended up really liking a lot of things from this. I did take a few days to kind of think everything through, and I ended up loving this skirt. I kind of had the feeling as soon as I saw it that I would end up really liking it. I was really surprised that this size medium fit me very well. It's really funny because I actually wasn't even able to get that polka dot skirt on, and it was a size large. So I don't know, sizing can be a little tricky sometimes. Just fits really well into my wardrobe, so I was really excited about this one. And then the other piece that I did end up keeping was this blouse. I love it. I cannot get over these ruffles. This style and the color I have a tendency to wear a lot, so I know it's going to be worn. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you're interested in seeing more of this type of video, more of the thrifted hauls. And I will see you very soon in my next video.